slime in a different way though. We're going to use baking soda and contact solution. So we're going to try this out before we do glitter glue slime later. But first you're going to need a tablespoon and this is a tablespoon, right?
Teaspoon.
Teaspoon. I don't really know my measuring spoons. It's not comfy. Hopefully yours will be comfy.
1.5 teaspoons is the same as a half of a tablespoon, but our measuring spoon set is missing the tablespoon.
That should be a half.
There's actually a spoon that's a half.
Oh, let's do that then. Let's see. Is it this one?
I can't tell from here. Is it the next biggest one?
Yes, then that one. The half teaspoon, I think.
Oh, that doesn't work. Yes, it's a half teaspoon.
You guys can't really see, I guess. That, I don't know why I tried doing it that way. That way it's easier. I think now you put this in and then stir, right?
No, first you stir the
wait.
baking soda in. And it's going to be just all gluey right now.
Josiah, you made me drop it. I did not. You're like, well, I don't know what I'm doing. And then I dropped it.
How about you help each other pick it up and put it back together?
I don't know why you just had an idea of just dropping it. So I didn't mean to.
That looks stirred in. That doesn't take very long, I guess. Remember we have to use this because otherwise I add too much. And it says the recipe we pulled up said do not add too much, or do not add too much, or I'll call a medical attendant right away.
No, it said don't eat it.
Oh, eat it.
Or
you
drink
eat
it. If you were to drink too much, more than a tablespoon
Yeah.
of contact solution. Yeah, don't drink contact solution. But we should need at least 3 teaspoons and maybe a little more, it says.
Do not.
3
eat
teaspoons is 1 tablespoon.
Oh, but we don't have the tablespoons. I wouldn't drink it at all,
And
actually.
you just made.
Yes, don't drink it at all. It's not meant to be consumed.
You're only supposed to wash your contact.
It's a good thing.
Same is true of all slime recipes, whether made with contact solution or borax. They should not be consumed.
They get all kind of colors.
I just put a tiny bit more in. It's not that much more. So, there we go. Yeah, right away it's starting to act more slimish.
Don't open it. Don't open it. Don't open it.
And with this one, I'm pretty
So
sure
what happened to your glue?
we're gonna not have as much as I think.
Look at mine.
I
That was the only one who saved
I thought we would have water in this one, but apparently we did not have water. We're not supposed to add water.
Really? Oh, balls.
And we did not. We only added
Contact.
contact solution.
Nice wine.
That's the kind we use, but you don't really. This is the
Inspired contact solution. Perfect for slime.
yes.
Not recommended for eyes.
Very fluffy.
Better for slimes than eyes. About to get my hair in it. I probably should have put my hair up. But I can't really find the hair, Rosa. That I know are around here somewhere.
Do you like my hat?
I think you're being a weirdo.
No, it doesn't stick. Well, it stinks, but it doesn't Active slime. It's not slimy yet. I don't know how long you had to do this. It's just weird.
Did you use the whole amount?
I think so.
You filled that teaspoon, the big spoon, all the way up 3 times.
Yes, and then just buy a little more just in case. Thin it.
Maybe you need fresh contact solution?
It's just liquid.
How much contacts, or sorry, how much baking soda did we use?
We used 1 teaspoon and a half. Why?
That should have been the right amount. I'm sure I'll add just a little more. We had a little extra. I thought it looked like it was going to need a little extra glue, but it should have been.
No, we don't need more glue. It seems there's more glue than anything.
And when we started out, it looked like it was maybe a little more glue than we meant to measure.
I'm a slime that should be getting anything, but I don't think this is going to be, if all slime, it won't be very good slime.
Want to take a break from the video and maybe stir it some more and see if it does anything or not?
No, I think we'll just go on and just let it sit and maybe see if it'll do anything.
Okay.
I want to stir. So let's do that. Let's see
the water
what
made it go
happens
like
if we let
this,
it
and
sit for a little
then it
while.
was out
Okay.
fast. It couldn't
But, so
fly.
we'll let you guys
Go.
go now. So, what are you doing, Dad? Oh, bye. Okay, so we realized that it was the contact solution was expired. We put a little bit of this in, and it started working. Now it's a little like this, but we still need to add a little more so it'll be less soupy. It's still a little soupy.
I really would have thought that being expired wouldn't affect the ability to make slime with it, even though it might not be safe to put in your eyes. But maybe I was wrong.
Apparently he was, but we're making
Does
slime
seem
now.
that way.
It's
A
just
little more,
gonna-
maybe?
a little more. Whoa! Almost got myself. What did it? It's a little soupy, but it's mostly slime. See? It looks a little
I think you
clumpy.
need to add a little more before you start working it with your hands.
It looks clumpy.
Yeah, it does that before you get it stirred in really good.
Maybe it's
It
because
gets
of the
stringy and
milking.
clumpy, and then you have to kind of smooth it out.
Is it because
You think it needs a little more contact solution?
just a little more?
Oh,
That should be good.
looks like.
There we go. Yeah, it's just a little stringer. It's stringy. There we go. It's starting to come off the bowl. Non-soupy.
Oh, that one was.
I say it weirdly. Non-soupy. Okay, let's see. This should be good to need with hands, but I think it's still sticky. Still kind of sticky. Probably have to wash your hands, but still. Do you think this is good to start kneading with hands, Daddy?
I don't know. See how it feels.
Feels good, but it still sticks to your hand. Like real well.
Try a little more contact solution and stir it some more first.
Looks like the boy one
So
got.
apparently, we learned our lesson. We should not put expired
destroyed.
contact
It
solution
looks
in
like.
Not even good for slime. Sad.
Even though
Yep, so we have to
the
throw that
teammates
away.
got destroyed,
Yep.
the person who has a teammate who got destroyed.
There we go. It's
Still one.
it makes bubbles sometimes when you lift it up. Try not to lift it too much to where it starts to dip in. It's gonna dip a little bit, but still.
Oh yeah, that looks like a
looks
consistent,
like
you know,
that one's
a consistency
tough to
you
put
could
back.
probably need.
Yeah.
Stir it a little to get it a little smoother, or pull it out and start kneading.
Better.
That one was bad.
Here, let's see.
So
More
sticky.
lucky bad.
Still, it's kind of sticky, but I think you can get that
More
off your
bad
hands
luck.
once it's better.
Go on.
Here, the bubbles in the slime.
Go on.
Well, it's not completely slime yet, but I have gloves on. I have slime gloves on. Yeah, this. I don't know if I should have done this or not, but this might have been a mistake trying to knead it while it was still really sticky.
Looks like a big tractor that you go to.
Kind of
So even with the good contact solution, it seems a lot harder to get it
it's still
quit
sticky.
sticking and to really come together.
It's coming together. It's just sticky.
Yeah,
That's the only thing it is.
it's not.
You know what I've heard is good for when it's sticky? Get it off your hands and put it in the refrigerator for a day or two, overnight. I've heard that's good for when it's sticky. I had to do that once with one of my slimes that I made at my main pop-up house.
Seems like the borax solution was a lot easier, not to mention way cheaper.
Maybe I don't know. I don't think I would want to do this with glitterable slime because it's still sticky and we just may have just lost the slime. We'll see. I think I can try. I'm gonna try to get this off my hands and see if I can get it in the refrigerator. We'll stick it in the refrigerator and we'll keep it in the refrigerator overnight and see what happens. And then if it's good, we'll show you in the morning. If it's bad, then you won't have a video. I guess. Unless Dad still wants to do one. But I'm pretty sure tomorrow we'll be making more slime videos, so I might tell you about it. We don't make slime videos every day, but we make them every weekend. Almost every weekend. So far, every weekend.
You ready to put this one away?
Yep, right after I can get it off my hands. It's
Well,
not gonna come off
Tell
my
everybody goodbye.
Bye! Okay, we put more contact solution in, and now it's starting to come to slime. See? It's slime now-ish. Still a little sticky, but you can do that now. Unlike you could do a minute ago. Alright. Let me see.
So far, how does it compare to doing the borax solution yourself, using the contact solution with borax in it?
I think that it probably would have been easier to do a borax solution, but it feels pretty similar when you play with the slime. It's just, it feels a little more like fluffy slime. Seriously. It feels a little more like fluffy slime than anything.
It sure made a lot less slime for the amount of glue we used, though. When we used the other recipe, we had a lot of water and it still made a good slime. And it's a lot bigger.
Yeah. But this is just a handful. Unless you let it do that. thing and melt in your hand, which I'm not very sure if it's good at doing. Yeah, it kind of melts, just not very fast. Let's see how good it is at stretching. This is good stretching. Now I bet, like most slimes, I like doing that when I put it back together. I bet it's like most slimes on this. Yep. When you go pretty fast, it breaks just like most slimes. Some slimes don't do that, like my, like our hard egg slime. Or not egg. It feels sometimes like a boiled egg. Actually, it feels like a boiled egg. Sometimes it does it, sometimes it doesn't. But yeah, I think the slime is good now. It's got like scratches on the side that I don't know if it's still gonna be good. Like this part. Oh, let's see if it does like the swirl. It does a swirl. Yes, it'll do the swirl. Unlike the one we made. One we had, it didn't do the swirl at all. Let's see. What I really like when you can do a slime is this. Like that, and then when it does that, when you do that, sometimes it forms bubbles in there like that. And you pop them all together and you found like scratching. Yep, this is good slime though. I don't want it to get stuck on my shirt, so because I'm wearing a nice short shirt. This probably should be my church clothes, but I like this slime now. I think we should sign off because I've said what it can do and stuff. So, bye guys.